Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to get your incoming and outgoing call details for your Jio SIM. And here I show the steps by using my Xiaomi Mi 11i Android mobile. At same time, this trick works for all Android devices including iOS platforms. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Jio mobile app. And don't forget to log in your account details. So now in this home page section, in bottom it shows some icons. So here I try to access menu option and then choose statement. So here you can select your time period, which means that you can put the start and end date to see your call history. And then choose email statement. And they ask for my email ID. So just put it and click to submit your request. So finally they send the email statement. So I try to check it and this is that email. So I try to download this email. So finally it shows my all incoming and outgoing call details and also they showing the call durations. So you can check it. So overall I complete my tutorial. So friends, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box and thanks for watching.